In the heat of a passionate debate, we often find ourselves walking a tightrope between expressing our viewpoints and maintaining respectful dialogue. The art of standing up for yourself in an argument is a delicate balance of assertiveness, composure, and effective communication. Imagine a scenario where your voice is a powerful tool, where you can navigate the stormiest of discussions with grace and confidence. In the following guide, we'll explore a set of strategies not only empower you to express your opinions, but also to foster understanding and respect in even the most challenging debates. From the wisdom of active listening to the finesse of using I statements, this journey is a masterclass in conflict resolution and assertive communication. So let's embark on this enlightening expedition into the world of effective self-expression, where arguments transform into constructive dialogues and your voice becomes your strongest ally. The first tip: stay calm. Staying calm is essential because it helps you to maintain control over your emotions and thoughts during the argument. When you're calm, you are better able to think rationally, express yourself clearly, and not get overwhelmed by anger or frustration. Active listening involves paying full attention to what the other person is saying. It shows that you respect their perspective and are genuinely interested in understanding their point of view. You can nod, make eye contact, and provide verbal cues like "I see, go on," to show that you're actively listening. Use I statements. I statements allow you to express your feelings, your thoughts, and your needs without ever blaming or accusing the other person. For example, instead of saying "you're always interrupting me," you can say "I feel frustrated when I get interrupted." Stick to the issue. It's important to stay on topic and not let the argument veer off into unrelated matters or personal attacks. Keep the focus on a specific issue that triggered the argument. Stay focused. Emotional triggers or distractions can lead the argument astray. It's crucial to stay focused on your main message and avoid going off on a tangent or getting derailed by your emotions. Ask questions. Asking open-ended questions can help you to gain a deeper understanding of the other perspective. It also encourages them to think more deeply about their stance and may reveal common ground. Agree to disagree. In some cases, it's simply not possible to reach an agreement. It's okay to acknowledge that you both have different viewpoints, and that's okay. Agreeing to disagree can help prevent the argument from escalating further. Use evidence. If you have facts, data, or examples that support your argument, present them clearly and concisely. This can lend credibility to your position and make your argument more persuasive. Avoid blame. Accusations and blame can escalate an argument and make the other person defensive. Focus on the issue, not on assigning blame. Use neutral language to describe the problem and how it's affecting you. Set boundaries. If the argument becomes disrespectful, overly emotional, or unproductive, it's perfectly acceptable to say that you need a break to cool off and revisit the conversation later. Setting boundaries can prevent further damage to the relationship. Seek compromise. Be open to finding common ground or a solution that works for both parties. Compromise often involves finding a middle ground where both sides can meet some of their needs. Respect the other person. Regardless of how strongly you disagree, maintain respect for the other person as an individual. Treat them with courtesy and avoid personal attacks. Self-confidence. Belief in the validity of your perspective is vital. Confidence helps you assert your point of view more effectively and can influence the other person's perception of your argument. Body language. Your body language can communicate a lot. Maintain open, non-threatening body language by making eye contact, using open gestures, and keeping a comfortable distance. Avoid crossing your arms, which can be a signal of defensiveness. Use a neutral tone. The tone of your voice plays a significant role in how your message is received. Speaking calmly and respectfully can help de-escalate an argument and make it more productive. Know when to walk away. If the argument becomes unproductive, overly emotional, or disrespectful, it's often best to disengage and take a break. Sometimes cooling off and revisiting the conversation later can lead to a more productive dialogue. Remember that effective communication and conflict resolution skills take practice. It's essential to choose your battles wisely, prioritize healthy relationships, and recognize that not all arguments can be resolved to everyone's satisfaction.